Next we have is research objectives. They are based on your research questions, which we discussed in previous step. So next is briefly show your the research questions briefly shows what research is trying to achieve. In simple words, they should be specific, clear, achievable, measurable, and so your search questions should cover these 4 points. It should be specific to your research questions, should be clear about your research problem, should be achievable, okay, and your research objectives should be measurable in your research. Next is research objective example. Example is to know impact of HRM practices on employee performance, or you can also write like this: to explore impact of HRM practices on employee performance, or you can also write in this way: to know to investigate impact of HRM practices on employee performance.